Dear children, welcome to the computer class. So today we are going to start with a new chapter about HTML list. So we are going to study how to create a list using HTML. You all are familiar with different types of list. A list provides information in a particular structure and which is easy to understand. Here we are going to learn about three different types of HTML list. So they are ordered list, unordered list and definition list. The structure of ordered and unordered list are very similar. We will be learning about these three lists in the upcoming modules. Let us see in detail how these lists are prepared using some examples. Dear children, first we are going to learn how to create a definition list. So, a definition list consists of a list of terms and its definitions. Okay, so terms are displayed on the left side with the definition on the right or on the next line. Here we are using three main tags. The first tag is DL tag that defines the definition list. The second tag is DT tag that describes the definition term. And the definition description is written within the DD tag. Let us see how a program is written. So first we have to open the DL tag. Within the DL tag, we have specified the DT tag in which the definition term is written. After the definition term, we have to give the definition description using the DD tag. You can create more terms and its descriptions. Here in the program, we have given three definition terms and their corresponding descriptions. Click on File to save the program and we have named it as dl.html. Open the web browser to see the output. You can see the heading given in H1 tag and the definition list of the three terms with their definitions. Children, note that the terms are displayed on the left side with the definition on the right in the next line.